far, you already have a good understanding of the business domain we are currently working on, which is the e-commerce industry, the business problem, and the rationale behind the solution we intend to profile. Now, moving on to the aim of this project. The aim is to, one, carry out a retention rate analysis, cohort segmentation, identify retention trend, churn analysis, and then recommend strategies based on the insights we get from our cohort analysis. Now, on the data description, here you will find a good and detailed description of each features to have a good understanding of what each feature signifies. And the invoice number, the stock code, description, quantity, invoice date, unit price, customer ID, and country are all features in our data sets. And the most important feature that are necessary for these cohort analysis are the invoice date and the customer ID. On the tech stack, these are the tech stack that will be required for this project, which is NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Pandas, and scikit-learn. All will be imported into our Jupyter notebook where we'll carry out cohort analysis and proceed with our project solution.